Hello everyone. Today we will learn very basic of Excel. So we will start from very basic like sum, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division and power. If you are a beginner and new in the Excel, so this video will be helpful for you. So these are my two values, so 1 and 2. So what is the position of my these two numbers? One is C3 and second is C4. So here we will apply these formulas like C3. So this is my C3 and uh, press plus symbol from keyboard and 2. This is 3. And similar for subtraction, C3 and press minus symbol from keyboard, sorry, minus symbol, um, and 2, and similar star symbol from keyboard, so is equal to C3 press star and 2, and for division equal to C3 division symbol from keyboard and C4, and for power is equal to C3 and power cap from keyboard and 2. So this is the very basic. So now next is functions in Excel. So function is very powerful in Excel. If you are beginners in Excel and want to become data analyst, so this video is very helpful for you. So this is the like sum function. So I will apply all of the function. So I'm just removing these values. So these are my values here, like amount, like I have the fruits, so different type of fruits, and these are my amount. So I want to check what is actual sum of these values. So what will I will check? I will apply some formula, some function here, and simple select these values and see. This is my result. So I don't need to apply every time like the 50 plus 20. I can simply apply some function here. So okay, so okay, so if I want to similarly, if I want to apply count, if I want to apply count means how many values in this column. So simple is press count function and select here. So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my values is 5. So if I want to know what is my next value from these values, so simply type next function. So select these values. So my next value is 50. So if I want to know my minimum value, simple type min and these values and minimum, and this is my minimum value from these values. Okay,